How to start chat on Bumble. Match with someone on Bumble. Awesome. Or maybe you want to stand out even before matching. Either way, I have got you covered. Open Bumble app and go to the swipe screen. If you see someone you like, you can send compliment before matching. Tap the chat bubble with a heart icon. A text box will pop up. Type your compliment. Keep it genuine and personal, like love your travel, beautiful, and hit send. Now swipe right casually as usual if they like you back. Congratulations, you have got a match and have already broken the ice with a thoughtful compliment. To start a chat, go to the chat screen by tapping the bubble icon at bottom. Here you will see the match profile. Tap on it, type your first message and hit send. Keep an eye on replies and don't be afraid to keep your conversation lively. And that's it. Whether you are using compliment to get noticed or starting a conversation after matching, Bumble make it easy to connect. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for a Bumble tips. Catch you in the next one.